Nature don't have nothing to do with nature, don't have nothing to do with nature, don't have nothing to do with your mouth. When a blood clot come and say all the while when the guy run and come back and dead. Then you done suck me already. No way you got blood clot tell me so. You know you can't treat the world like you can't treat me. God blind me if I lie me I tell. But to me yet, that's why I'm talk. I am ungrateful because I could have hold it. If it was a decent blood clot man, I could have hold my mouth. If it was a decent blood clot man, I'd hold my mouth. I'm a batty Jakes lick up, I don't know what I'm talking about. I piss all name out. I write to some cock up brighter so. I want to tell me one piss, I'm just piss by your blood clot. You don't get you're too enough and ungrateful. And the hatred in my life for me I soak in my system for you. Make me a ball out the blood clot things them. My man know your name crutches, my sister them know all your way I fuck know you suck pussy like a dog. And Shilly know you suck pussy. So I don't know what you tell me. Say every woman, Shilly know you suck pussy, so I don't know what you talk, what your mouth say. You have moved on and I have moved on. Me I wonder what the woman we got St. Lucia don't say how obsessed you are over me. I want to tell Oscar. If the lady that you went to St. Lucia don't see the obsession you have over me, it's an obsession deeply. You're obsessed over me till they look bad. Till they start to attack the people them out. The people them out party, they start to attack them because you want me to see you. Because him see it, you know. Him talk about my couple at times. Him talk about my couple at times and I don't answer him. Him come up with the mastermind. Him don't take him light, you know. Me say it's like internal bleeding. If you don't rush got operation soon, you know, you might be unalive. Him realize when them throw the jobs at me from the day, come and tell myself I'm not use him, you know. So I realize when them throw the tantrum at me not use him. So I come out now, I throw the tantrum at whom I power with. Because if you got somebody, people want me power with, they're not going to feel away. Me, I going to feel away too. Everybody have feelings. So somebody will come out, come talk. You know exactly what you are doing. I will not go play the ball game here. Jake's going to look alive. Me done with you. It's been how much months? September, October, November, December. It's been 4 months now. I'm over you. Me done with you. Go look alive. You only have tell people say you move on, but you don't move on. Avoid my name. Avoid my circle. Why can't you avoid my name, avoid my circle? Because if me don't want a person, you know, me avoid them name and me avoid them circle. You can't. Everyone them there chat me each up there. What do you somebody say? Somebody say blood clot. The madman for the app, Mad Max, the madman over here. Maybe the dog. The power screen card with him. I hear the madman will be the dog, no? Akeem's stomach must strong. Akeem's stomach strong for stomach, Rosealee. And she, Jake's laugh. I say, what Jake's can't laugh over me? Just me piss all in your mouth. Let me piss all in your fucking mouth. Avoid me, please. Come and want to get over here. Me piss all in your mouth. I want to say these things, people say that joking thing with the pan. Me piss all in your mouth. Use nobody. Rest me and relax. I'm not always do this. Because I get tired to me, I get boring. I'm not like a bone to make you. I'm going to try to make ends meet with them. I try for men. When I come out to drink, I want to God insert 8 serum in night for you. Yeah. Because you like eyed people, you like to provoke. Remember, I'm there for 12 years, you know you stay there, you don't stop. You will never stop. You like to provoke, and you like to argue, and you like to sit down and play a pity party and then throw stone and draw it and like you're innocent. Me not gonna do this.